Welcome to another edition of the Cisco Networking Academy Field Guide to Careers. Join us on an expedition to the land of programming. The terrain can be tough, but it's an exciting career for those who want to venture out. Being a programmer isn't just cool, it's the key to endless opportunities in networking, security, and the Internet of Things. To get those skills, you'll need the instructors of Cisco Networking Academy to coach you through this awesome landscape. You can take several paths through this fast-paced terrain. Start your run with Programming Essentials in C, where you'll discover the foundation for most other languages. Then you can race to Advanced Programming in C to learn more about embedded applications. You may also choose to pursue Programming Essentials in C++, and then Advanced Programming in C++, where you'll learn the power of object-oriented programming. Or take a run through Programming Essentials in Python to become proficient in controlling connected things. Whichever slope you choose, you'll write your own computer programs, experiment with your growing skill set, and engage with students and instructors until you feel at home in this new world. Once you've finished your run, you'll find you've picked up some valuable souvenirs, certifications you can use to carry your career forward into more fulfilling territory. Cisco Networking Academy is your ticket to the expertise and opportunities you need to broaden your horizons. Discover the latest courses and set out on an exciting career journey at netacad.com.